Hello, welcome back to my channel. You're watching In Flavor with Shamika. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple seafood preparation which can be put together in 10 minutes. Butter garlic prawns. These garlicky and buttery prawns are perfect for your weeknight dinners where you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. Butter garlic prawns can also be made as a quick party appetizer. On this channel, I make videos related to food recipes. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment in the comment section below. I've listed a few recipes in the description box below. Do check those recipes also. If you are new here, consider subscribing for simple and quick recipes. Hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new recipe. Let's begin our today's video. For this recipe, we will require 250 grams of prawns, 2 to 3 tablespoons chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons butter, half cup chopped spring onion greens, half tablespoon mixed herbs, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon red chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoon chopped green chilies, and salt as per taste. Let's first marinate our prawns. Here we have about 250 grams of prawns. I've got medium sized prawns, but if you can get large size or tiger size prawns, it will work great with this recipe. I've cleaned and deveined the prawns. I've kept the tail on. It gives a nice orange color and also looks nice when cooked. To this prawns, I'll add a little salt and some black pepper. Mix everything well. Go easy on salt as we are using salted butter. This is done now. I'll keep this aside. In a wok, add a little oil. We'll use oil so that our butter doesn't burn. You can skip it if you don't want to add oil. Now I'll add butter. I'm adding all of this butter. You can reduce the quantity of butter, but I like lots of butter in my butter garlic prawns. Let the butter melt nicely at a very low temperature. We have added oil so our butter will not burn easily. Here the butter is melted. Now I'll add chopped garlic. I will saute the garlic in the butter for about a minute. I want all the flavors of garlic to get infused in the butter. When the garlic is infused in the butter, it smells so good. It's been a minute now. I'll add green chilies. Saute these also for a few seconds. Next, I'll add some spring onion greens. Mix this well and keep sauteing for a few seconds. Next goes in our star ingredient, the prawns. I've added the marinated prawns. Saute these for a few seconds in the garlic butter. Just make sure that each prawn is coated well with the garlic butter. I'll just spread these prawns across the pan so that each prawn touches the bottom of the pan. Let it sit like this for 1 to 2 minutes. Our prawns are sitting untouched for 2 minutes now. Mix and saute for 1 or 2 minutes more. I'll add our remaining ingredients, the red chili flakes and the mixed herbs. Mix these also very well. I'm adding a very little salt here, just a pinch of salt. We have added salt to our prawns when marinating, and we are also using salted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, you can add more salt, but still keep in mind that we have added salt to our marination. Just mix this everything well. Here our butter garlic prawns are ready. I will garnish them with some spring onion greens. Enjoy! Hope you like this recipe. Do check out my other 2 recipes listed here on the screen. Also subscribe to my channel for more such recipes.